Rowing boats. Worth, Tip, and Craig were going out on the river. Floppy went too. Joy's boats. We will take those rowing boats, said Dad. But Joyce, said Joy. They put the picnic things into the boats and got in. Don't forget the coats, said Worth. It could get cold. Can I row? asked Tip. Yes, I will show you, said Dad. You have a grow Craig, said Dad. What? With both hands. Let's stop here for the picnic, called Tip. But it's not by those stones, said Dad. We can unload the boat, said Tip. Hand me the coats, said Craig. Good boys. Those plums taste very good, said Craig. Homegrown, said Dad. Don't be so annoying, Fluffy, said Worth. He wants his bone, said Tip. Suddenly there was a loud noise. What was that? said Tip. I can hear voices, said Tip. Look, it's Roy and Joey. The boys were trying to throw a rope over a big stone. Just then, Joe fell into the river, and the rope fell in too. Oh no, said Joy. Get hold of the rope. Too late, said Joe. The boat was floating away. Joy tried to catch the boat, but he fell in too. Suddenly, Fluffy jumped into the river. He wanted to join and help, said Tip. Look, said Craig. Fluffy is going for the rope. Fluffy got the rope in his teeth. Good boy, Fluffy, called Tip. The dash made the boat safe. Fluffy had a good soaking. He shook himself all over the boys. Go away, Fluffy. Joy and Roy swam back to their boat. Oh no, we lost one. Can you give us a tow? asked Roy. We can't row back. Yes. Did you enjoy the trip? asked Joy. Yes, very much, said Worth. But we got soaked. The end.